friends, today we will talk about meditation and the 10 miracles associated with it. Do you know that with constant thinking and contemplating, the mind gets affected along with the body? The effect is also seen on skin. As you know that skin is the largest part of our body and the effects on the skin directly impacts our beauty. On the other hand, if our skin is good and glowing, we look beautiful. Meditation is a kind of ancient technique that keeps you young and charming. This is the science that rejuvenates our life. You can overcome a ton of challenges that life throws at you with the help of meditation. Now let's get started. First thing is that if you meditate, you can delay the aging process. It has been observed that people who meditate regularly often look more young and vibrant than who do not, even though at the age of 50 or 60 they look like 30 to 35. Second health benefit of meditation is that it keeps you healthy. Many infections do not affect you if you are doing regular meditation, as it builds up your immune system and helps the body to fight against them. Third benefit is that it makes your brain younger. If you are a person who forgets things easily, this is the right choice for you. And also, it makes your brain sharper. You know that many things go wrong when you are in the state of anguish. So the fourth benefit of meditation is that it helps you control your anger and it develops a positive state of mind which leads you to be more productive throughout the day and build better relations. If you are a student and having trouble with your studies, or you are working and having hard time concentrating on your projects, meditation will do wonders for you, as it helps to develop a more concentrated mindset and you are more focused with more productivity. Many doctors believe that originating point of disease is mainly related to stress, which causes hormonal imbalance and lead to many diseases. Meditation is known to be a natural anti-stress booster. Meditation helps you let go of all your worries and all the stress that is weighing you down, which will also be visible on your skin tone and behavior. It will also help you in balancing your hormones and further help in maintaining a good physical and mental health. Also, I like to add that in this rapidly changing world, one often is fearful of the future, which may let the roots of anxiety grow on us. Moreover, the regrets of the past also contribute to this. Meditation teaches us mindfulness, which is to be in the present moment. The gist of mindfulness becomes the character of our being with the practice of meditation, and we are not bothered by the past or future anymore. You may have noticed many people start the weight loss diet or any other goal, but only a few are able to stay on track, and others quit because they lack the willpower to achieve what they were aiming. Well, meditation creates a sense of willpower in you, and you will be able to accomplish a lot more in life. So, in a nutshell, if you keep on meditating regularly for 15 to 20 minutes at least per day, you will able to achieve more, have more satisfaction, will be more energetic and stress-free. You will be healthy both internally as well as externally. By this way, you will lead a wonderful life and will be more happier than ever. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and do share it. For more awesome content, subscribe to our channel.